Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to HR Topper family. First of all, thank you for watching this video. And you will be surprised today, one of the most or the second most important function, if condition, I'm going to explain in a very simple way. It's a part one. So let's start. What it is? It's a part of MS Office and it is an Excel function and formula. Again, I'm repeating the second most important function that we use on a daily basis for all kind of MIs, reports and everything. In Excel, this is the most used function. So you have to be very clear. So as usual, let's understand first what it is. Don't get into the formula. First of all, it's a condition. You have to understand where if formula will take place. When there are more than two options given. For example, yes or no. You tell me yes or no. So there is a condition. To tell yes, there will be some condition. Why should I tell yes? And why should I tell no? So there is a condition. So that is what if condition is. So we have to put a condition. And if that condition matches, then it is correct. If it does not match, it is incorrect. So there are more than, if there are more than two options given, then we use if condition. So let me explain a simple concept which everyone knows about the toss. So let's say you and me, you and me. I am Mumbai. Let's say I'm staying in Mumbai, so I'm just trying that. So I'm from Mumbai and you're from Chennai, example, my native place. So Chennai. So you are Chennai, I am Mumbai. And you have chosen head. The moment you have chosen head, it automatically defines that I am tail. So again, this sentence is very important to understand because there is a formula. So there are three steps in it. One, condition. Second, the first match. If it is matching, yes. If it is not matching, automatically no. For example, if head comes, you have one. You have chosen head, you have one. If you have one, then automatically I have lost. Automatically I have lost and I don't have to define anything. That is what the condition. So let's understand. Don't worry. Just try to understand. If head comes, you have one. If head is not coming, tail has come. Automatically, I have won and you have lost. So there is one condition and the second one is automatically defined already. Done? So let's, no issue. I'll go one by one. So it's a syntax. There's three, steps. One is logical test, if true or if false. So let's not remember this. I'll have put it in a very simple way. The three condition. The first one, let's write the condition. So what is the condition? If head comes, then what is the result? So the first one, the condition is if head comes. What is the condition? If head comes, it is win, or else, because there is only two options. So if I chosen this, automatically it says I have not chosen this. That means it is lost. Got that idea? Don't worry. I'll give you a very, very simple example. So let's go to a example now. So let's take one example. So this is the result. So this is head. So in this place, if head comes, I want the result win. And if tail comes, it is lost. So that is the formula. So let's understand the formula. If. So this is if. You can put a tab, click on tab. So the proper comes. Now it is written logical test. So don't remember everything. The first thing is write your condition. You have to understand, write your condition. So the condition is in this place, if head is there, in this place, that's a cell, is equal to, see, we are telling exact. So condition has many conditions. Exact value means exact. If there is a spelling mistake, there will be an error. So if this cell is equal to head, is equal to, see, condition kya hai? If this is equal to head, then comma means next formula. Then that is true. If it is matching, then I want win. Or else, that is, if no, then automatically, if it is false, so we are writing lost. I'll explain you one by one. Let's understand. Now it is tail. So tail lost, right? Now, again, I'll put it and again explain you. So don't worry. If that's a condition, what is the condition? If this cell contains head, that is exact word head is equal to means exactly same is then is equal to head. Now, why I am writing into double quote? Why I am not choosing or writing without quote? So you have to understand what is double quote. Excel takes only numbers in the formula or any particular cell you can collect. But here we don't have any cell. So this is not a number. I'll explain you the next function in next example, the number also. But remember one thing, only in case of number, we don't have to put the quote. Otherwise, for everything, we have to use the double quote. So whatever you write in the double quote is the formula. Am I clear with that? So if this cell is equal to head, then what is correct answer? I have win. Second, or else that means if it is not head, automatically it is tail, then what should be the answer? Lost. So again, we don't have to write the formula because there is only two choice. If condition, if it is head, win, or else automatically you are lost. So close the bracket and enter. Now control D, so it will come down. Now if I write tail here or head here, whatever it is, it will change automatically. So there was two choice. Now let's say if I write anything else, suppose not even head and bad luck, not even tail, and it is in the straight. Example, the answer is straight. Or I'll just write any other number like Anand, I'm just writing for an example. But it has come lost. Why? See, if I remove this, it is again lost. If I write anything, it has come lost only. Why? Because, why? If I'm removing again, it is lost. The formula should not work because there is nothing. Then what is the issue? So let's understand the formula once again. See the formula. We have given only one formula. In this cell, if head is mentioned, then only give win, or else whatever it is, you have said lost, because for lost, you have not given the condition. Logic? Here there are only one condition. Again, you see this, you have given only one condition. If this cell contains head, if head is mentioned, then only you give me win, or else whatever you have written, you give me lost. Then understood? So if I write head here, then it is give. If I write head here, it will give because the condition was only on the one parameter. Now let's go to the second one. Suppose if I want to write two conditions, if the third scenario comes, it is possible that sometimes the head and tail may not come and the coin is straight, standing straight. Okay. So I'm just writing still. Just for an example, the word still. Now what should be the condition? Again, listen very carefully. If this cell is equal to head, then what is the result? If it is a head, then what is the result? It is win. Now, automatically, there is one more condition. So total how many conditions? 3. Head, tail, and still. So head we have given. And now go for the second. So you have to write the formula again. If this cell is equal to tail in the double quote, then if it is tail, in this cell, if it is head, then give me win. In this cell, if it is tail, then give me lost. Double quote, comma. So there were total 2 conditions. And what is the third condition? If still comes, then what? But it is automatically designed. The last formula is automatically defined. So you can write the last formula. See, there was head and tail. So 2 formula. So the first one head, the second one tail. Now here there is 3 formula. Head, tail, and still. So for head we have given win. For tail we have given win. And for still, we can write anything. So whatever you write here, suppose I put it a blank, no answer. So I need a blank. So I'll put double quote and I don't write anything in the double quote. I just put one more quote that is finishing. In this quote, there is nothing, it is blank. Or let's say redo it, redo it. So I'll do it again or redo it, redo it. And this is the result I'm giving. Okay, if it is not head, if it is not tail, then give me redo it and close the bracket. See, it has come, redo it. So head, tail. Now, if I write Anand, it will do redo it, because we have given condition on only head and tail. We have not used the word still. But if we write anything, even if I remove, it is redo it, because it has not given the answer. So even if you want to write, let's say still, you can do it here. I'll tell you. See, instead of this, we can give one more function, same formula. If in this cell, if it is written still, then give me redo it and close the bracket. Close the bracket. No need for the final one. If it is false, it will come as an error. No issue. Now, if I remove this, it is showing false. So you can put a formula, but the last formula is if all the parameters is not matching, then what should be the result? What is the last automatically defined formula? If all the conditions are not matching, head is not there, tail is not there in the cell, even straight is not in the cell, we have not defined anything. So we put the define, comma, blank. So now if I remove this, it will come blank. Or if I write anything else, it will come blank, because we have given the condition. So I'll put it once again here. No problem. Listen it very carefully. Very simple. Simple. There are one more thing you will learn. So if the first condition is equal to if in this cell, if in this cell is equal to head, then give me win, or else. Now we have one more condition. So if this cell is equal to tail, then give me lost. If this cell is equal to still, then give me redo it. Okay? Or else, now the final one, because we have given condition if, that means if it is true, if it is true, if it is true. But if all the three is not true, it is not there, then what? Then it is, I'm keeping it blank. Or I can write as error. I can write anything or I can keep it blank. It is coming, redo it. So if I remove this, it will show error, wrong, whatever word you want to give. So don't worry. Let's take one more simple example so that again you will remember. Now I'll take it. There was 3 conditions. Now I'll take it to the 5 conditions so that you will learn very fast. Now I'll give you an example. These are the employees. Okay, these are my employees example, and they've got the rating. Okay, so the condition is here. If a person has got 5, it is excellent. 4, very good. 3, good. 2, fair, and poor. So let's start with the condition. Now see, understand the way I'm explaining. Don't think and see what I'm doing. Just understand concept, the way I'm pronouncing. If, what is the condition? The condition is in this cell, that is the cell contains, what is the condition? If this cell is equal to 5. See, now I'm not writing in the double quote because it is number. For numbers, we don't have to put double quote. Am I very clear? Clear. So in this cell, if it is equal to 5, then what is the result? I have to put double quote because it is a character. It is excellent. Okay, and double quote. One condition done. Now there are total 4 conditions left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So friends, now I just want to explain here. See, when I'm writing in the cell, can you see the previous cell? It is invisible because the formula is little longer. So what you have to do in this case? Just select the cell, go to the formula way, here bar, and start typing here. Now see, if this cell is equal to 5, then give me excellent. Double invert quote and comma. This is first condition. Now, can you see whatever I'm writing, it is going inside the cell and we are easily visible. We can easily see the rating column. Earlier, it was not visible, the rating column. Now it is visible because we are writing the formula on the upper one. So that is important when you draft or write a big formula. Am I clear? This is also tip. Now, second condition. If this cell, if same condition, if this cell is equal to 4, then give me what? Very good. Third formula. If this cell is equal to 3, then give me good. If this cell is equal to 2, then give me fair. If this cell is equal to 1, then give me poor. Or else, now this is the final one. We have written all the conditions. If it match, suppose if it is not matching, example, if it is blank, someone has written in 55, 11, 12, 7 rating, we can type typo error, right or wrong, then what? Or else we can write blank, we can keep it blank, simple, and close the bracket. And yes, see, excellent. And if I write, see, 5, then 4, I'll just do like this so that you will easy. All very good. Then 3, can you see? All good. 2, can you see fair? Now 1, can you see poor? Now let's say I've removed everything. It's blank. If I write 5, 5, blank. If I write 4, 4, blank. If I write Anand, blank. A grade, blank. Because we have given the condition only for 5 things. If that is written, only give me that result, or else whatever is written, give me blank. How many people understood very easily now? See, 5, 3, 2, 1. Am I clear, everyone? Very simple, very easy. So do practice now the third and the final one for today because we are learning this one. So let's do it. Same thing with a different example so that you can understand. So now there are 2 results. So let's give a simple formula of 1. That is 2 choices. The choice is result, pass or fail. So there are only 2, head or tail, pass, fail. So if someone is passed, automatically is not fail. If he is fail, then automatically is not pass. Automatically, clear? So the formula is, if the person have got 35 or more, see the condition, if the person has got the marks 35 or more, see there is 2 conditions here, 35 and more. More than 35 is not the answer. More than 35 answer is 36. See what is, I'll tell you. More than 35, the answer is 36. 35 and above means if he gets 35, it is considered. Got that idea? So we cannot write more than 35. For example, more than 35. So 35 is not the result. So we have to write is equal to and more than 35. So if it is 35, it will give the result. So let's see. So result is condition. If condition, this cell, condition is if this cell has more than or equal to, is equal to 35, sorry, is equal to or more, that is more, 35. So I told you now we are not able to view the column. So what I told you, click on here. So if this cell is equal to or more than 35, first condition. If it is more than 35, then what is the result? What you want? You want pass. Or else, now what is automatically defined? If it is more than 35 or 35, pass. That what is the automatic answer? If it is less than 35, then what? Then it is fail. So the answer is pass. 65, pass, 50, pass, and fail. Now the answer comes. Suppose someone has written 101, pass, because we have not defined anything. Correct? Now, suppose someone has written wrongly 0, it will show fail only because 0. Now, if I someone written Anand, again it has come pass. Why? Why I have written Anand and it is written pass? Because, can anyone tell me? Just think, I've written Anand or I've kept blank, it is showing fail. But if I write something Anand, it shows pass. Why? Condition, no? So for that, what you have to do, I'll tell you. See, we have given a condition. Sorry, we have given a condition. So I'll write it once again. Nothing wrong. So what you can do to avoid all this is the way you have to put the formula. If this cell is equal to or more than 35, okay, give me pass. Or else, if, so I told you we have to write it here. So I'll just cut it and put it here. Okay. If this cell is less than 35, then give me fail. Or else give me blank. So pass, 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 30, fail, and blank, it is showing fail. Why? Again, the issue. So we have to write one more. Just trying to tell you with the error so that you understand if this comes what? If it is a blank, then what? Why it is not coming blank? Because we have given condition only on 2. So let's put one more formula. Okay? If, sorry, we have to write it here. If this cell is equal to or greater than 35, then give me. So let's make it. If this cell, first of all, is greater than 100, give me blank. Clear? Simple. First thing, see, someone can write 750. Typo error is possible. See, I'm going very depth. I'm not just simply telling pass, fail. I don't want to teach. You need to understand this is what you face error just by learning the basic formula. So this is basic plus advanced. There is nothing word called advanced. This is the way you have to learn. So nothing right, nothing wrong. I'm just trying to share with the error so that you understand when you face this problem, how to overcome it. So the first condition, what you will give, what are the errors can come? Someone can write, see, someone can write 750. Can someone write 750? Possible? Possible. Someone can keep it blank? Blank. Someone can write anything? Anything. So let's do it this way. So you've got 75. So the first condition will be, if this cell is greater than 100, then give me blank because we want blank. Clear? Blank Ratna. Now, second condition, if this cell is equal to or greater than 35, then give me plus. Because see, first condition we have given, ki after 100, whatever you write, it will show me blank. That means automatically if less than 100, then what? Again, we are putting a condition. If it is more than 35, give me pass. Or third one, if it is less than 35, then give me fail. Pass, 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 and pass. False. Errorless. If I write anything, nothing, all wrong. If you write 750, 100, whatever you write, it will give blank. But now here it's showing if blank is written, why false is coming? Because we have not given formula for blank. So even you can write, I'll tell you example. Here we can add, if it is, delete all this, okay, comma, self copy and paste it here. Again, if this cell is equal to blank, then you give me blank, or else nothing I want. Sorry. If this cell is equal to blank, then give me blank. Clear? Or else give me blank. Acha, sorry, we have written the wrong. So let me put it in a very simple way. See, what happened is earlier we had see the formula. We have given 35, 35 coming again. So 75 formula went. So we'll put a final one. If this cell is equal greater than 100, give me blank. If this cell is equal to or greater than 35, give me pass. If this cell less than 35, give me fail. Or else, if anything else is there, if this condition is not matching, then give me double inverted comma. See now, whatever you write, if the condition is not matching, it will come blank. So the last one, again, I'm telling the summary. So you can watch it once again, dear. So it is a condition where there are options are given. So you have to condition. If there are 5 conditions, write the 5 condition. And the last one is more important. If this 5 condition is matching, you have already written the result. For example, 5, excellent. 4, very good. 3, good. 2, fair. 1, poor. So condition is 5 condition. But what else if nothing is matching? Then you can choose anyone like error, blank, wrong, incorrect, dash, whatever you write in the double quote is what you're going to, the result will come. So I want you to watch it again, practice it, and if you want to learn Excel in a very simple and logical way, and specially designed for accounts and finance, accounts and department, then you can join the course. No issue at all. Thank you so much. See you very soon for the part